India, location, geographical structure, and physiography its parts to it. Friends, once again, we should see that standard 9 subject is assessment, chapter number 14, and this is our video number 1. It is our part 1 of this chapter. Friends, at first, the question will be in our mind, what is physiography? Physiography क्या होती है? सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, physiography क्या होती है? The landform which is irregular. The landform which is irregular and has some altitude. The landform which is irregular and has some altitude on the surface of the earth is called physiography. What is physiography? The landform which is irregular. जमीन के ऊपर की सतह की जो कैसी हो, irregular हो, कहीं पे नीचा हो, कहीं पे ऊंचा हो, है ना? And has some altitude, और उसमें कुछ ऊंचाई हो, on the surface of the earth is called physiography. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Physiography. It includes mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. It includes mountains, plateaus, and plains, etc. मतलब जमीन से थोड़ा ऊंचा है, mountain, plains, and plateaus. These things are known as physiography. Friends, here the structure has been given. The structure has been given. What the things are called? Like here, these the larger ones are known as mountain ones. ये सबसे जो बड़े-बड़े हैं इनका बोलते हैं वो mountain range. The next one here, glacier. What is glacier? The melting of ice. The melting of ice is known as glacier. Next friends, which things are below mountains and small top is known as foothills. Hills के नीचे का भाग. Friends, here the place between two rivers is known as gorge. Is known as gorge. What? And when the river flows, it meets the sea. Here also there is coast. Basin. What is basin? When the river flows in the area of the river is known as river basin. Friends, origin. What is origin? The river's originating place is known as origin, and this here river. Friends, here Piedmont Plateau means here the plateau is like a river. थोड़ा सा ऊंचाई वाला प्लेटो होता है, and plain land is known as plain. You can now see here river, lake, port, and these things are known as here. Here there is a special word tributary. What is tributary, friends? Tributary means the land. Here tributary means, friends, what? Tributary means the small rivers. Tributary means small rivers which meets the large rivers is known as tributary. Small rivers meet the large rivers is known as tributary. Friends, on the basis of physiography, India can be divided into the following physiographic regions. On the basis of physiography, India can be divided into following geographical regions. In 5 geographical regions, India can be divided. India को कितने 5 geographical regions में divide कर सकते हैं. Number 1, friends, northern mountain regions. What is that? Northern mountain regions. That is, northern mountain region is known as the first geography of India. Second one, friends, Great Northern Plains. What is that? The first one was Northern Mountain Region. Here, Northern Mountain Region. Okay, friends. The next one, Great Northern Plains. It is here, Great Northern Plains. And third one is Peninsular Plateau. What is that? Peninsular Plateau. Here, the area of south is known as Peninsular Plateau. And fourth one, Coastal Plains. We know that on the west and east, in both directions. In the south is coastal plains. These are known as Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat. And fifth one, friends, archipelagos. Archipelagos. What is archipelagos? Archipelagos means islands. Here on the east side in Bay of Bengal there is a Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and on the west side there is a Lakshadweep Islands. Friends, once more we should repeat what are there in the physiography of India. The first one, northern mountainous region. Here it is northern mountainous region. The second one, Great Northern Plains. It is here Great Northern Plains. Third one, Peninsular Plateau. The area of south. Area of south is known as the Great Peninsular Plateau. And fourth one here, which one? The coastal plains. On the east side, the Eastern Ghat, and west side is known as Western Ghat. And the last one, archipelagos. Friends, archipelagos is known as, archipelagos means what? The islands. On the east side in Bay of Bengal there is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and on the west side there is Lakshadweep Islands. Friends, this was the geography of India. Now we are going to see, friends, अब हम आगे देखने जाते हैं, आगे हम देखने वाले हैं. The first point is northern mountainous region. What is that? Northern mountainous region. If we talk about northern mountainous region, this is an important. What is, friends? This is an important natural region of India. This is an important natural region of India. It is known as the Himalayan mountain system. It is an important natural region of India. It is known as the Himalayan mountain system. And it is spread over, how much, friends? 2,400 kilometers in the north. What is the distance there? 2,400 kilometers. Here, friends, in this way, it has been, it is there. It is like in this form. It starts from the west, from Hindu Kush mountains, and spread over here up to this direction, up to 2,400 kilometers long. This is an important natural region of India. It is known as the Himalayan mountain system, spread over 2,400 kilometers in the western direction, in the north. It has an arc shape. In which shape it is? It is an arc shape. आप देखो इसके साथ arc shape दिखाई पड़ता है. इसका arc सब काटा हुआ है. Okay. Its height is, friends, its height is ranges between 240 kilometers to 320 kilometers. Here, friend, 240 kilometers से लेके 320 kilometers तक का इसका ब्राइट मिलता है. Friends, the Himalaya is not a single mountain. Himalaya is not a single mountain. It is not single mountain there. एक बार mountain नहीं है, but it is a complex of many mountain ranges. The complex of many mountain ranges. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे mountain ranges इधर आए. Friends, going towards east from Afghanistan, अगर हम कहाँ से? अफगानिस्तान से, यहाँ अफगानिस्तान से हम ईस्ट डायरेक्शन करते हैं, गोइंग टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट फ्रॉम अफगानिस्तान, इट एक्सटेंड्स अप टू म्यांमार. कहाँ तक? ये म्यांमार तक, यहाँ पे अफगानिस्तान है और यहाँ पे म्यांमार, वहाँ तक ये फैला हुआ है. लेट अस सी वंस मोर, फ्रेंड्स. एक बार फिर लिखते हैं अपने. Here's where going from Afghanistan to eastwards. Afghanistan here, this Afghanistan here. यहाँ से अगर हम इस डायरेक्शन में देखते हैं, ये म्यांमार तक ही फैला हुआ है. Which one? The northern mountain ranges, and it is spread over 2,400 kilometers. West to east. How much? 2,400 kilometers. That's the distance है. And its height is how much? 240 to 320 kilometers. That it is not single mountain, but it is a complex of many mountain ranges. Complex है, बहुत सारे mountain ranges का. आगे बात करते हैं हम. Next day, friends, which one there? The going towards east from Afghanistan, it access to Myanmar via India, Nepal, and Bhutan. In the center, there is India, Nepal, and Bhutan. India, Nepal, and Bhutan, which makes it up. It has more span. It has more span in Tibet, in the north. North में जो तिब्बत है, उसमें उसका ज़्यादा एरिया है. It is a part of mountain system known as Pamir Knot. It is a part of the maximum area. It has most spell in the weight in the north. It is a part of the mountain system known as Pamir Knot. Which area? Which area is in Tibet? It is known as Pamir Knot. Friends, in the Himalaya on the whole can be divided into two divisions. Himalaya को two divisions में divide हम कर सकते हैं. The first one, Northern Himalayan range. The first one is Northern Himalayan range. ठीक है friends? The second one is Eastern Himalayas. The first one is Northern Himalayan region and second one is Eastern Himalayas. The first one was what? The first one was Northern Himalayas. Friends, which one here? These are Northern Himalayas and here on the east direction there is Eastern Himalayas. Clear that friends? आगे कुछ बात करते हैं हम. Himalaya is divided in two groups. Which one they are? Northern Himalayas and Eastern Himalayas. At the first, if we are going to talk that Northern Himalayan region, हम बात करते हैं Northern Himalayan region के बारे में. There are three mountain ranges. There are three mountain ranges parallel to each other. There are three mountain ranges parallel to each other. एक दूसरे से parallel. The northern range is called Greater Himalaya. This is loftiest range. देखो सबसे पहले क्या three parallel है ना, three mountain ranges कैसे का parallel. And the first one is what? The Greater Himalayas. The first one is that Greater Himalayas. Friends, let us discuss once more. Which one? There are three mountain ranges parallel to each other. The northern range is called Greater Himalaya. जो सबसे नॉर्थ में है क्या है उसका नाम? Is known as Greater Himalayas. उसको बोलते हैं Greater Himalayas. Okay, friends, this is the loftiest range. This is the loftiest range. सबसे ज़्यादा mountain यहाँ पे है. Loftiest range of the among Himalayas. हिमालय में सबसे ज़्यादा mountain इसमें ही आया है. Among Himalayas, wherein there are more than 40 peaks. Where there are more than 40 peaks. कितने? 40 peaks से ज़्यादा है. Which exceed height of 7,000 meters. 7,000 meters की height के कितने? 40 से ज़्यादा mountain ranges में आए हैं. Most famous among them is Mount Everest. Friends, which one? Most famous among them is Mount Everest, which is 8,848 meters high. How much, friends? 8,848 meters is the height of Mount Everest. Friends, it is on Nepal-China border. Where it is? It is on Nepal-China border. It is known as Sagarmatha. What is the name of Mount Everest? Sagarmatha in Tibet. In Tibet, it is known as Sagarmatha. Other famous peaks is Godwin Austen. Which one, friends? Godwin Austen is also known as K2. 8,611 meters. What is the length? 8,611 meters high. Which is the highest peak of India? Mount Godwin Austen. The highest peak of India. Friends, there are three distinct ranges in the Himalayas which are almost parallel to each other. There are three distinct ranges in Himalayas which are almost parallel to each other. In the Greater Himalayas, there are some high mountains passes such as Jilipla. What is that? High mountain passes there is like Jilipla, Nathula, Sikila, etc. Mansarovar, which is considered to be sacred holy place, is in China. It is also there in Greater Himalayas. Mount Mansarovar is also in Greater Himalayas. Let us, friends, we are going to see the main mountains of Himalaya. हम जो भी हिमालय के मेन माउंटेन्स देखते हैं उसको sorry friends, we should see that जो मेन हिमालयस के हैं वो देखते हैं हम. Here it is Tibet and the Mount Everest will be here. Where in the which one? Nepal China border. Here friends, the Hindu Kush mountain, Pamir Notch, Hindu Kush mountains, and there these are the other mountains there. The other highly mountains which are mentioned here, the other highly mountains are Mount Everest, 8,848 meters, K2, which is also known as Mount Godwin Austen, 8,611 meters. The next one friends, which are Kanchenjunga, 8,598 meters, Makkali, 8,481 meters, Dhaulagiri, 8,198 meters, and last one friends, Annapurna, it is 8,070 meters tall there. The second range in between, the second range is in the south of the greater Himalayas के south में second range actually. It is also spread wider area. It is also called the Central Himalayas. Friends, it is spreading wider area. It is known as the Central Himalayas. तो सबसे पहले क्या था? सबसे पहले हमने बात किया Greater Himalayas. Right? After it there is which one? Central Himalayas or Lesser Himalayas. Which ranging from 80 to 100 किलोमीटर. जिसकी लेंथ कितनी होगी यहाँ से? 80 to 100 किलोमीटर के बीच में. Friends, this range includes here mountain ranges like Pir Panjal. Which one friends? Pir Panjal, Mahabharat, Nattiba, etc. Many hill stations have been developed here. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे हिल स्टेशन भी बने हुए हैं. Let us see that which stations are there. कौन से हिल स्टेशन देखते हैं अपने friends. In this moderately high range, some of these hill stations are Dalhousie, Dalhousie and Dharamsala, Simla. These are in Himachal Pradesh. काफी सब फीचर हिमाचल प्रदेश में हाँ. Dalhousie, Dharamsala, Simla, Mussoorie, Ranikhet, Almora and Nainital, and Darjeeling. Almora and Nainital are in Uttarakhand, and the other one, which one? Dalhousie, Dharamsala, Simla, Mussoorie, Ranikhet. These are in Himachal Pradesh. Friends, Darjeeling is in West Bengal, etc. Gangotri, Yamutri, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Hemkund Sahib, etc. are famous holy places. Kullu, Kangra and Kashmir are extremely beautiful natural valleys in this region. Which one friends? Kullu, Kangra and Kashmir are extremely beautiful natural valleys in this region. Friends, the next one is the third range situated in further south. The third range is situated in further south is known as Shivalik Hills or Outer Himalayas. It is known as Shivalik Hills or Outer Himalayas, and most of it falls within India. इसमें से ज़्यादातर सब इंडिया में आए हुए हैं. It is about 10 to 15 kilometers wide. कितना है? 10 to 15 kilometers wide है, and has an average height of 1,000 meters. Peculiar valleys formations have taken place in this range, which are covered by gravel, stones, and thick sediments. What is that? These are covered by gravel, stones, and thick sediments. Locally, these are known as dune. क्या बोलते हैं इनको? इनको बोलते हैं dune. Dune के नाम से जानते हैं. Examples: Dehradun, Patli-Dune, Kothari-Dune, etc. Friends, we have taken information about Greater Himalaya. We have taken information about the Northern Himalayas. Now we are going to take information about द ईस्टर्न हिमालयस। अब हम बात करते हैं ईस्टर्न हिमालयस के बारे में। फ्रेंड्स ईस्टर्न हिमालयस की बात करें तो ranges situated in the eastern part of the Himalayas. Ranges situated in the eastern part of Himalayas. Himalayan ranges have larger height. कितनी? उसकी height कम है। Some of them are more famous as hills. इसमें से ज़्यादातर कैसे हैं? सब hills के रूप में famous हैं। These hills in eastern Himalayas are straight. These hills in eastern Himalayas are straight as smaller ranges. The hills are spread over as smaller ranges. Among them, Patkai Hills. Which one, friends? Patkai Hills are situated in Arunachal Pradesh. Which one? Patkai Hills is situated in Arunachal Pradesh. Naga Hills is situated in Nagaland. Patkai Hills is situated in Himachal Pradesh. Naga is situated in Nagaland. And Lusai. Which one? Lusai or Mizo Hills is situated in Mizoram. These hills are located near the eastern border. These hills are located near eastern border. Are in eastern border and have their contribution in Arakan Yoma range of Myanmar. म्यांमार में हिमालयस को क्या बोलते हैं? अराकान यमा रेंज। फ्रेंड्स वहाँ पे कौन से हैं? देखो वहाँ पे है पटकाई हिल्स इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश, नागा हिल्स इन नागालैंड and Lusai or Mizo Hills in Mizoram. These hills are located near the eastern border and have their contribution in Arakan Yoma range of Myanmar. Garo, Khasi, which friends? Garo, Khasi, and Jaintia hills. Garo, Khasi, and Jaintia hills are in Meghalaya. Garo, Khasi और Jaintia hills कहाँ पे friends? मेघालय में। Mountainous regions have more rainfall. Mountainous regions have more rainfall, so dense forests have developed here. Friends, mountainous region जो भी है उसमें बारिश ज़्यादा होती है। कौन से? ईस्टर्न माउंटेनस रीजन में, ईस्टर्न हिमालयस में rainfall ज़्यादा होता है। So dense forests have been developed here. As this is a forested area, roads and railways have not developed much. यहाँ पे roads और railways का development नहीं हुआ friends। देखो हम लोग पीछे देखते हैं बात friends, which things we have seen earlier? हमने कौन सा सूत्र किया पे? We have discussed here. Which things friends? We have discussed here. What is physiography? हम चर्चा किया physiography क्या होती है? The landform which is irregular and has some altitude on the surface of the earth is called physiography. It includes mountains, plateaus, plateaus and plains. Friends, we also see that the India can be divided in 5 physiographical forms. The first one was northern mountainous region. Second one is Great Northern Plains. Third one Peninsular Plateau, and fourth one the coastal plains. And fifth one is archipelagos. We haven't seen that friends. ये हमने देखा भी. Which one that? Northern mountainous range, the Great Northern Plain, Peninsular Plateau, and coastal plains, and last one, which one? Archipelagos, Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep. Friends, after this we have discussed the Northern Mountainous region. हमने ये भी देखा Northern Mountainous region के बारे में. Northern Mountainous region can be divided in 3 parts, mainly 2 parts उसके. Mainly 2 parts है, which were the Northern Himalayas and Eastern Himalayas. Northern Himalayas can be divided in 3 parts, which were Greater Himalayas, Central Himalayas, and Greater Himalayas, Central Himalayas, and Outer Hills, Outer Himalayas. In these 3 parts, we have seen that in the northern region, Northern Himalayas, Mount Everest is at 8,848 meters. Mount Gordon Austin is 8,611 meters there. Kanchenjunga, which is 8,598 meters there. Makalu, which is 8,481 meters. Dhaulagiri, 8,198 meters there. Annapurna is 8,070 meters there. Friends, we have also discussed about the Central Himalayas, and we also discussed about which one? Outer Himalayas. इसके बारे में चर्चा की, and we had seen that Eastern Himalayas, है ना? हम उसको डिस्कस किसके? Eastern Himalayas के. Eastern Himalayas पे क्या था फ्रेंड्स? यहाँ की सारे के सारे जो भी हिल्स वगैरह है वो 1000 मीटर्स के आसपास से बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी नहीं है. We had seen that Patkai Hills are in Arunachal Pradesh, Patka hills are in Arunachal Pradesh, Naga hills are in Nagaland, and Nusa hills or Mizo hills are in Mizoram. Friends, these hills are located near eastern border. These hills are located near eastern border. And friends, we have also seen that Garo, Khasi and Jaintia hills are located in mountainous in Meghalaya. Mountain regions have more rainfall, so that dense forests have been developed. And as this is forested area, roads and railways have not been developed much here. Hence, we haven't seen all these topics here. In the next video, we will discuss about Great Northern Plains and some of the other geography of India. Thank you, friends.